Wait. Watch carefully. During this video, you'll see 3 secret numbers flash on your screen. Add them up and drop the total in the comments at the end. Let's see who's really paying attention. What if I told you there's a place where neon lights dance with green mountains, where sizzling street food hypnotizes you on every corner, and where ancient temples stand proudly next to futuristic skyscrapers? Welcome to Taiwan, the tiny island that punches way above its weight. Before we jump in, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the wild secrets ahead. And while you're at it, drop a comment telling us your favorite Asian dish. Taiwan isn't just a spot on the map. It's pure energy. A living heartbeat. A bold story of survival, innovation, and unstoppable spirit. Over 23 million people squeeze into this island, smaller than Switzerland, yet it's a tech powerhouse, creating the chips that power the world's fastest gadgets. Including the phone you're watching on right now. Beyond tech, Taiwan is a food paradise. Beef noodle soups so rich they taste like a warm hug from grandma. Legendary stinky tofu that challenges even the bravest taste buds. Night markets that feel like stepping into a neon wonderland. Sizzling pans, flashing signs, and endless rows of crazy, delicious surprises. Oh! Have you subscribed yet? Do it now! Support the channel so we can keep exploring hidden gems around the world together. And it doesn't stop there. Taiwan is one of the safest places on Earth. You can walk at 2 a.m. without worry, find open convenience stores everywhere, and meet some of the kindest people you'll ever encounter. They'll invite you to share a meal even if you're a total stranger. That's Taiwanese hospitality at its finest. The landscapes? Absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine surfing in the morning and hiking a breathtaking mountain peak by sunset. Standing on the edge of Taroko Gorge, surrounded by marble cliffs that rise like giant dragons. Or watching the sun sink behind misty tea fields in Alishan, breathing in air that feels brand new. Taiwanese culture is the ultimate mashup, old and new, east and west, tradition and rebellion. One moment you're staring at a centuries-old temple glowing under city lights, the next you're sipping bubble tea surrounded by anime pop culture and endless Instagram-worthy spots. By the way, did you catch all the numbers so far? Keep those eyes sharp, you'll need all 3. Taiwan might not be the first place you think of when planning a trip, but once you visit, it changes you forever. It's not just an island, it's an invitation to taste more, feel deeper, and live bolder than ever before. So, did you collect all 3 numbers? Drop your total in the comments below, and show us you're part of the ultimate travel squad.